So why could the 4K still be blurry in the iPhone? Let me explain some scenarios and some possible things with it. If it's your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, of course, the iPhone has the ability to capture 4K photos and videos, but there are some things which you should pay attention to as well. In a lot of cases, when the camera lens is slightly dirty, smudgy, or if there is something on it, well, it doesn't matter that you are recording at 4K if the camera lens is not allowing for the crisp shot to be captured. So obviously clean your lenses to make sure that the highest quality is available. But then when it comes to some software settings, like you can make sure that you're not at like 60 FPS because that is taking up a lot more storage. It might make it look smoother, or at least play with the FPS options as well, because if you feel like you don't get the best shot, right, then you can switch to a different FPS and see if that makes any difference. And if you still find that you're not getting the shot that you would want, then perhaps it's time to switch from the default like camera app to something a bit more professional. Personally, I usually go with the Final Cut camera, which is actually from Apple and it's free to use. You just have to download it from the App Store, and in there, not only you can change the resolution and the frame rate, but also more things like the, the white balance and the exposure, and you have much more control. It's a lot more manual than the built-in camera, so perhaps you need a little bit more to get the perfect shot that you would want it. Right, so that is something which you can do. One more thing about 4K videos being blurry, which I want to mention, is that if you're just browsing your galleries and you have some old videos which have been shot at 4K and those appear blurry, it is likely because you have them uploaded to the iCloud and it might take a while for them to be loaded into the full resolution and quality, right? So if you're using iCloud photos, you can check it out inside of the settings, your profile, iCloud, and the photos. And if you have the pictures and videos backed up, even in 4K, as I said, it might take a while for them to be fully loaded if you just scroll through your library. So that's why for a moment they might appear blurry before they fully download in the full resolution. So just another thing which kind of crossed my mind and I had to mention. So let me know what you think below, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next tutorials as well.